Everyone, thanks for joining in. So, welcome to the Success Labs Academy. So, if you have recently joined, just put your in the chart that when you have joined and where you joined from, whether you are from India or US, UK, or any other part of the world, just to ping in the chart, and I will be more than happy to welcome. So, welcome everyone once again. So, this is an orientation call for all of our diamond and gold members. So people who have joined, so I will just navigate to you how you will be maximizing the utilization of the Success Labs Academy platform, right? So I will share those details. Hope you are able to see my screen. Okay, so say yes. Okay, I can see that people can see that. So this is the main page of our Success Labs Academy, school.successlabsacademy.com. That is our site, right? The main site is always Success Labs Academy, right? So you'll be finding that like this, Success Labs Academy, that is .com. This is our HR Tech. If you Google search, you'll be finding, and also it is also available in the Trustpilot as well, right? So you'll be finding that the main site, Success Labs Academy. So if you might have, some of you might have already have session who have booked who are not member of our platform. So you can always, if you're not a member of Success Labs Academy, you can always have a clarity session with me. That's a 15-minute. And if you want, you're already a member, if you have to check some one-on-one discussions, you can always ask me anything. You can choose this at least 2 days in advance so that we can prepare well, right? And especially this platform is again not only limited to the students, it is also for the working professionals or academia, universities, colleges, right? And also for the corporate organizations. So we can go through this details, and there are many other frequently asked questions like what will be the mode of teaching. Everything I'm trying to answer. If it is a frequently asked questions, what are the benefits, what are the different features available in different memberships, right? You will be getting all those details here, right? Now let's move on. People who have joined recently to our membership, what I will do, I will log in as a student and I will try to explain you what are the different things you can utilize and how to access the course. It is super easy. You can also access it from a mobile app also. We have a mobile app called New Genler. So this is actually New Genler. The LMS is powered by New Genler app, right? And you can also find it, the app, inside your Google Play Store or iOS, right? So that is the thing. You will be finding that app is called New Genler app. So you can find it in your Google Play Store as well as in your iOS store. This is how the app will be looking like, and you can see there are some more than 10 trillion plus downloads, right? So this is the app which you can utilize, and the same course you can also access it from the app, mobile app, right? Now moving to the website of it, let's say I will log into the portal as a student now. Let me log in as a student. So once I log in, you can see there are 6 tabs will be available in the top. Home, all courses, support, blog, my courses, community, right? And here again, based on your registration, you will be getting those courses. Suppose I'm going to all courses. Currently, we are in the home page of it, right? So we can see individually all the courses. Okay, so all the modules you can see from Success Factor or Workday, whatever you are seeing there, mix, right? All the things all in the home pages of it. Okay, and if I go here again, if I go to the all courses, it covers all the courses which is in my platform, but you may or may not have subscribed to those courses, right? Let's say you have gone for a gold subscription, right? But in that, all the courses are not included, right? So in all courses means whatever the courses available in my platform. Okay, so if you go to all courses, and if you see in this category at present, I do have 2 categories. One is employee experience and enterprise architecture. So at present, enterprise architecture has not started. So that I'm planning in the next year. roadmap. But in the present, at present, everything is in the employee experience. Suppose if you have to search a particular course, let's say I would like to search for a particular course called Employee Central. Simply, I will type here Employee Central. Directly, I will get here like this. Okay, so this is a core subject which is related to the Employee Central, core HR tech, which focus on SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central. Right. In this way, you can search for the courses in the all courses bar. Okay. This is something you can find it out. And if it is included in your, it is included in your gold subscription. Okay. So how will you find out what are the bundles I do have access? So for that, so what you can do is you can simply type diamond, or if you're a diamond member. Okay. So if you see, you type your diamond, you'll be getting this bundle. Okay. In this, okay, if I go here inside the diamond bundle, you will be finding what are the courses already available in the diamond membership. Okay, so in the diamond membership, you will be finding all these options, all the payroll, compensation, time and attendance management. It includes your gold, silver, plus the additional modules which are there in the diamond mode. And you will be finding an option like for whatever the courses you are going to access, you will be finding a thing like this, access now. Okay, so wherever I hover it, okay, so you'll be finding an option called access now. Okay, so here it includes, okay, all of your modules, whatever they are in the gold plus silver plus additional module. Okay, suppose let's say ECP or EC payroll is one of the key modules inside my diamond membership plan. Okay, so simply I will go here and click access now. Okay, so then I will go to my cloud payroll or EC payroll powered by SuccessFactors Employee Central Payroll. So also you can see there are different tracks here, and many more tracks will be also coming in the upcoming days, right? And you will be able to see all those sessions one by one. Okay, so at present we are having 73 lessons, and out of that, as a student, let's say I have completed 11. So you can always see that track here directly coming. This is how much you have completed, and this is how it looked like, right? And this is how, suppose I would like to go for a particular track. Say start with the beginning process. So I can go to that particular topic, and this is how it will look like. Okay, so this is a track one, which is the process. Okay, and here you can see the percentage also. I have completed 15% of the entire course. Okay, so in the track one, all the processes part have been discussed. So you go through this topic. Okay, so like there are some discussions, and if you have any question, definitely you can ask your questions right here. Okay, so in this, write something is written. So simply write it down here that I have a questions related to this topic, and you can ask any questions particular which is related to the topic, that particular topic. It is not like you're asking some questions random, not random questions. So whatever is related to that particular track or particular topic, you have to ask questions. Okay, definitely will be more than happy to answer that. You can also put a picture if you have any. This is a process related topic. If you're going through a particular topic where you have to do some hands-on, right? But you have some, you are getting some error while doing that hands on your system. You can put a screenshot here. Or if you're working on a project and if you have some issues, you have tried everything, you have followed all the KBAs, all the implementation guides, but still you are facing some issues, right? That is also, you can come here and you can answer. You can ask those questions and on. Okay, so you can also put a link, what kind of KBA you have followed, what are the things. So you have to do all the groundwork before you post there. Okay, it is not like dumping all the questions, whatever comes to your mind. It's not like that. Do some research before ask the questions. Ask good questions. Okay, so there is no good and bad question, but anyway, so I will say that. So before you do that, post your question, do some R&D on that. Okay, so this is how we can post your questions, right? So let's say I do have a question. I do not have any knowledge about the Signavio. Okay, so maybe I can post a question as a student. Explain more about Signavio. Okay, so simply I will just give you a demonstration. Explain more about Signavio, where to get those documentations and all, right? So what I will do, I'll simply click post. Okay, so yeah, so then as an administrator, I will be notified and I will try to answer that questions. Okay, so this is the way you have to ask questions, and also all the social media features available, like all those comment and all. You can also, somebody else also wants that, he can comment that questions also on that in this way. Okay, this is something, the same one track. Okay, so once you complete one track, let's say you have completed this. Okay, so what you have to do, go to the next button. There is called next lesson. So these are called lessons. So we have a different section, and under each section we have a different lessons. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to the next lesson here, and from that next lesson you'll be finding that, okay, next lesson is all about the process. Actually, what is, so you can see we have already covered what to expect from this track. There is a process library. Suppose you have already completed, there is a tick box. If you are doing for the first time, again, if you want to revisit, you can always revisit. Suppose there is some link, okay, like this, okay, then it will navigate to your particular documentation. So it will be like linked to a particular Google Drive, and from that, those relevant materials you will be able to download. Okay, so that is the thing which actually I tried to put it here. And you can also, I'll be giving more case studies whenever you are joining the hackathon. So hackathon has already started. People who are new, and you can start, okay, go through all those details, topics and all. And let's say I'll move to the next section. So let's say in the process library, suppose I have any queries again, okay, definitely you can ask questions there also, right? So every sections you can ask questions. Okay, so I would like to say, I need to understand about a particular process. So simply I will put it here, write something, and means I had to post query and click post button here. Okay, so once I complete it, I will go to the next. Okay, so the next one, next lesson for me is hackathon. Okay, so for hackathon, I have a masterclass here, and you can see this is the first session. So we have already completed 2 sessions of the hackathon in the season of 2023 January. So you can see the initial thing here right from this video. And if you want to catch up, you can catch up all those things. So you have all the details already available, and you can definitely watch those, and we can go for the next one. Okay. So in this way, once you complete one session, you can move to the next session like that. Okay. So this is the process I follow in during this entire hackathons and all. So there will be much more hackathons like this. Okay. Now this is the process you have to follow sequentially, and once you complete, and I think this is much more better. You understood now the entire how to navigate the system, and this is how this works actually for every module, right? So this is the thing. Now coming to the, so all of your courses which you have been subscribed, actually you could be falling into the my courses section. Okay, so my courses sections means these are the courses you have subscribed based on your, whether you are a diamond member or a gold member. Accordingly, you will be a silver member. Based on that, you will be able to getting those all the access, the materials, all the content, you will be getting that access, right? And for each and every module, whatever you are learning, you'll be getting also see the progress, how much you have completed, okay, in the card itself. So this is how the modules are looking like for any specific module in SuccessFactor in the SuccessLabs Academy. Hope any, I will take a pause here. If you have any question, definitely you can ask. Okay. Okay, I don't have any question. Okay. Okay. Okay, I got a question. If any new courses you have to launch. Yeah, you'll be getting notified if you am launching any new courses, right? Definitely you will be getting updates, okay, notification in your mailbox, definitely. And just to compare what are the courses at present available and what are the comparison, definitely you must have seen through these 3 comparison, right? Silver, gold, and diamond. What are the 3 key differences? Okay, so in the silver is mostly focused on SAP HCM and SuccessFactor platform fundamentals or Workday fundamentals. People who are starting very new, is ideally for mostly for MBA HR students, and also people who are into HR professionals. They would like to switch to the your technology, HR technology side of it, right? I get many students from that because that is one of my mission as well, right? So that part you will be getting in the, that is more of a focused DIY approach I follow, do it yourself. That means there will be no live sessions, only the recorded sessions will be there, and you'll be given a 5-day challenges to complete those activities to based on the module you're picking up, and you'll be given the Kahoot quizzes. Okay, Kahoot based quizzes will be given, and ask me anything in the community. You can ask question definitely, but there is no live session in this, and it is a lifetime membership. You'll be getting also the mind maps. Okay, IOA based mind maps. So mind maps means you'll be getting all the topic, and so wherever it is required, you will be finding those mind maps. Okay, I will just show you a sample mind map. How does it look like? So to remember quickly, I have prepared a couple of mind maps and many more for each and every modules. So this will be like memorizing all those topics in a very short span of time, right? So you will be getting a mind map like this. So I will be showing some example. Let's say I would like to explain something related to best practices in SAP 17 reasons. So let me put out a particular topic, anything. Okay, let's see. I'm explaining about SAP HCM. Okay, so here this is a typical mind map. You'll be getting a download of it from me. Okay, this is a hire to retire cycle, SAP HXM, and in that we have a different topics like processes. Then in that we do have like PA module. PA module I have explained what is an info type, all those details. This is in a short span. You don't have to prepare, although you'll be preparing your own digital notes, but along with that, it will be kind of companion guide for you, right? So this kind of notes or mind maps will be uploaded in the portal, and you will be getting those mind maps from directly from me. Okay, that is the mind map you will be finding people who have joined as a silver, right? And this is a lifetime membership, as I have already mentioned. Okay, and the support forum is nothing but your community. Okay, so if you have to not explore the community section, so that is the same thing which I have shown to you in the discussion for each and every module. Or if you are going to a community section of it, you will be finding very specific questions pertaining to that particular module also. So it is this aggregation here. So you can see here for each and every section, I have an access. Suppose I have a question, something related to on-premise SAP HCM, right? So you can see Mr. Rajaram has asked a question, how to do an info time mandatory. If it is not maintained payroll, what is the reason error? So I answered that questions directly here. Okay, so this is a kind of a community interaction happens in SuccessLabs Academy. And also we can see question from Sudharani. She has asked very basic questions 1 year back. What is the custom info type? I have tried to answer that. Okay. So again, based on that, you will be getting whatever the questions, okay, you will be having. So also you can see recently Sibajit has asked 7 days back, what are the country specific info types in Australia? So I try to answer that as well. So you can see those replies directly from here, right? And this is how the question and answer happens inside that is a support forum. And this is a completely private network. Okay, only people who are paid members, they will be getting access, okay, for those thing, and we'll be giving a 5-day challenge based on your need actually. Okay, what kind of needs you need. That's a silver membership. And coming to gold and diamond, so this is again whatever in the silver you'll be getting in the gold subscription, and here we'll be having these modules at present. 6 modules at present we are having. We'll be adding more modules in the coming days. Like at present we have employee central, recruiting. When I say recruiting, we have both recruiting marketing and recruiting management. Then we do have onboarding, both 1.0 and 2.0. At present, SAP also mentioned that onboarding means it's onboarding too, right? So they have omitted that 2.0 terminology. So onboarding, I have compensation, succession planning, career development planning. These are the 6 key modules at present we are having. And I'm planning to add more modules like a PMGM and other stuff in my curriculum, right? Then we do have a success sprint. So these are every membership has a certification. If you're completing the criteria, if you're fulfilling those criteria, definitely you'll be getting a certification directly from SuccessLabs Academy. And I call it a canvas sprint and your marathon. Okay, success canvas, success sprint, success marathon. That is certification you'll be getting post completion of your all of your materials and content, right? Then we do have in gold subscription people, I give the hackathon. Hackathon is not there in the silver level, but at present gold and diamond. Okay, but silver level, whatever the 5-day challenges I'm giving, actually that is a kind of a mini hackathon, you can say, right? Then here in the gold and diamond, I do have a long-term hackathons, like it's a 3-month challenge. It is diamond, I do have a 180 days. That's a close to 6-month challenge. So you can just go through those details, and you will be having more understanding of the system and what are the things you'll be given as a part of your packages. And same thing, I'm committing that you'll be getting all those benefits directly from here. Okay. And in case if you want a topic that is not covered in my platform, what you can do, simply you can go to the demand portal. So in my website, niladri.in, there is something called demand now. Demand anything from SuccessLabs Academy and get it fulfilled. It is simple Google form. So here you can mention your whether you're an existing student or a new student, and based on that, what kind of content you needed. Let's say you are looking for a France payroll, okay, from Workday, or you are looking for a topic related to PMGM. It's very specific topic area. Okay, just very clearly mention that topic, and based on the demand, if that request is raised by multiple people, and I see that is a very huge demand on that particular topic, and we'll plan to add that in our product roadmap. Okay, we will be adding that in the roadmap. Definitely, we will be try to deliver that content very soon. Okay, based on the demand again. Then you have to provide your name, registered email ID, and registered your WhatsApp contact, whatever you have given those details. Then you click submit button. Okay, so this is a tool which we have embedded in our my website NILADRI.in, and in that you can demand here. Okay, and this is how there are some couple of feedbacks here you'll be finding, and also there are some free content also. If you are not a member of this platform, definitely you can go for this free content available. But again, it is not very detail oriented, not very structured. But I always welcome people to the private community where we will be having more interactions, more value-based learning we'll be finding, right? So I think that's all as of now. So for my courses, you understood that my courses means what are the courses you have subscribed. All courses means what are the courses the platform offers. It may happen or whatever the courses is offered by the platform you have not taken. Okay, suppose you have taken a silver membership only, then in all courses you will be seeing all the courses, but you will not be in the my courses, you will be accessing only the courses which are belonging to the silver membership. Same goes with your gold and diamond membership, right? And community section we've already discussed. Support section, coming to support sections, definitely. So here actually people who are new to the community, they can connect with me. Okay, who are not member yet, okay, they can get in touch with me if any questions, rightly. But what I have doing at present for every courses, at present we are having a section called Ask Me Anything. Okay, so what I'm trying to do there, for every module inside that there will be track 17. Okay, let's see I have whether I have activated this or not. Yes, track 17. Track 17 is all about it. Ask me anything. Okay, so in the Ask Me Anything sections, you can start, you can post your queries directly from that particular module. Okay, so what you can do, so you can go there and you can ask those questions whatever you are having in that particular module. Okay, and also there are certain things you will be finding specific to that particular topic. This is simple questions you will be finding. Okay, so that's the thing. And now coming to the our module. Okay, this is something you have to go there and ask me anything, ask any question from there. Other than that, blog at present I have not activated. If any of you are a very good blogger and all, very soon this is an upcoming features which we can actually activate it, right? So I'm not only related to any success factor or whatever, rather generic HR technology, also what is the trend in HR technology in the market, okay, how the market is moving around, the HR operating model, HR operating systems, and we do have very digital transformation, industry 5.0, a lot of topics are there in HR, right? Blockchain, right? You name it, analytics, a lot of topics. So if you are interested in the blogging and if you're passionate about it, definitely we have a private blogging opportunity that is I'm going to activate it very soon. Okay, so this is where exactly you will be finding the blogs as well, right? Now coming to, I think almost I have covered everything, and you can ask any questions if you have. Okay. Okay, I got a query that 17 tracks, and what are those 17 tracks? Okay, so 17 tracks, I will quickly explain you what does it mean by 17 tracks actually. So let me go to the my app store and notion.so, and in that I will be trying to explain exactly. Just to let me open that basically the academic part, and I will try to explain what is the meaning of those 17 tracks. Okay, so let me go to that product development strategy, and just a minute. Yeah, so for every product which I design from in SuccessLabs Academy, what I have done, so basically I have divided into different transformation series, because every project is the HR is a transformation, whether it is HR transformation, learning transformation, talent transformation, right? So let's say I am going for a particular core HR transformation series. And inside that, I do have many more modules inside. Let's say I will go for a core HR master data management. Okay, so it covers your all of your core HR master data like Employee Central or any Workday, right? Whatever the topic you are choosing, right? So here, let's say, what are the 17 major tracks? So I have divided all my products into different 17 tracks like this. Okay, process, strategy and architecture. Track 3 is operations. Track 4 is all about implementations, guided implementation powered by Success Hackathon I conducted. Track 5, migration. Track 6, integration. Track 7, quality assurance, also known as testing, right? Then track 8 is all application maintenance and support. We also call it AMS. Track 9, certification related. People who are aspiring for certification, they can prioritize this track 9. So all the access will be given, all the 17 tracks will be accessed, but I will be advising you based on a requirement which track to focus on. So maybe you're having access to all the 17 tracks, okay? But you are working as a implementation consultant. So for you, track 4, 5, 6 will be on the top priority. Okay. So according to that, I will be recommending which are the tracks you have to follow. Okay, in that during that session. Okay. So accordingly, you can plan. Suppose you are going for a job interview, definitely track 10 will be very beneficial. That you have to prioritize. Okay. So again, these are the different stuff. And if you're a pre-sale consultant, and if you are more looking more towards sales part of it, you should know the product very well for any success factor, Workday, or any HR tech product, right? Then you have to, I will say that follow track 11. Okay. Similarly, the track 12, track for project management. Suppose you are a project manager, you have to follow SAP Activate methodology for SAP success factor or any other agile process you are following, right? So then into track 12 will be beneficial for you. If you are a product owner, okay, many of the times, even in SAP or Workday, they are the product, actually, they have the product managers and all, but many times in the business side of it, people work as a platform owner or product owner, those kind of a role, and how to do well in those specific role we cover there in the product management. Okay, so these are different tracks. And resources guide, you will find all the documentation related to the particular module in the resource section. Okay, and ask me anything. As I told, this is actually your all the doubt clear sessions on any topic related to this particular module. Let's say this is a core HR master data management series. So I'm not knowingly, I have gone technology agnostic, product agnostic. It can be SuccessFactor, it can be Workday or Darwin Box, whatever the products come up. Karna Store on Demand, whatever the products comes up. The fundamental principles remains the same, right? So for that reason, I have divided, created in such a 17 tracks as of now from my past experience. And those are all covered in the 4 major themes like business, technology, career, innovation. Suppose you are preparing for, let's say, interview, okay, or any kind of a jobs you're trying to transit, right? Definitely career will be the track theme actually. So your theme will be career theme, and your track will be like interview preparation or certification. Okay, and if you're a business user and you're a product owner, that kind of thing, your theme will be business, but your track will be your product management. Or is okay, you're a Scrum master, you're a project management, you're in project management, there will be a role which will be combination of a theme business and technology, theme 1 plus theme 2. Okay, so based on that, I have more simplified. I tried my best to simplify all these things, but I will definitely need your feedback how we can improvise the learning experience for all of our students, upcoming students, and the existing students. Okay, so this is how the 17 tracks have been designed. I'm trying to incorporate those things in my all of my modules in my SuccessLabs Academy platform. Okay, so this is a meaning of a track, and you may or may not get all those tracks in all the modules. So based on that, actually present, so there are some implementation tracks everywhere, but there are certain tracks we'll be adding in the future. Okay, so let's say for this module I'm talking about, which is only tested. We have done an end-to-end testing of SAP Fieldglass, okay, for the entire module. So at present only we are having the track number 7. Okay, that is the quality assurance module is there. Okay, there are 6 sessions. Okay, and we have only the only part is we are having the we are having the your extended workforce management. For this we have only this particular track. Okay, we do not have other tracks. Okay, suppose if I'm enrolling for this course, okay, what I will get. Okay, so at present actually if you're already a part of your gold or diamond subscription, you'll be getting all this directly. So I'm not going to enroll for this as of now. But this is how the system will look like. Okay. Now I have spoken a lot, and I'll take a pause here. Any last comments? Hope it was very clear to everyone. And same feature is also available in your mobile application. I think that is super easy again. Okay. So you can go through, and if you have any questions, definitely you can ask to me. Okay. I see comments. This is very nice comments. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, you have two sites actually. Okay, I have a question here. So as I say, you can bookmark these two only. One is my personal branded website. This is the NILADRI.nayak.in, and how this is connected to the school. So if you go to my website, and here there's a two options, school and society. Okay. The school means it will take you to that SuccessLabs Academy directly. And this is the learning platform which you can go and based on your subscription, you can get those access. Another thing which you might not have seen, that is society. Actually, this is open for everyone. So it is not a private community, it's an open forum. It is a kind of, if you go to there, it will take you to a Facebook VIP group. Okay. So in this group, okay, so you'll be getting like this. And here, at present, I have around 60 plus members. And there are also a couple of interactions happening. So you can see what other people are doing in the Charapul project. So there is also very good learning. And also I, from time to time, I keep on posting here as well. Okay. So here you will be, if you have not joined, it's open for everyone. Okay, not limited, but it is very generic discussion happens there. Okay. So here you can join this group. At present, we are having 65 members, and you can join. This is open for everyone. Okay, this is not limited to your SuccessLabs Academy, all the people who can join. So this is how the link is there. So this is only one link, NILADRI.in, and from that school or society, based on that, you can navigate. Okay. And this is already you have taken. If you have already taken the membership, you don't have to worry much. This is a demand portal. You can demand any questions or demand any content from here. Not question, the content basically, which you want to see in the SuccessLabs Academy or my YouTube channel, right? And contact me. This will be actually a support, means you'll be getting all the links to me. Okay. So all the link here, if you want to build some website, you want to some additional services, if you want to run any kind of digital courses, whatever. Okay. If you, I also pursue a lot of courses outside HR technology. If you might be knowing, I have seen posted those things in my LinkedIn. Okay. If you want to join any kind of academy courses for AI HR, you'll be getting a very good discount from here. And if you want to join using this one, you'll be getting a 20% full access. You'll be getting a discount of that. So that is, you will be getting a link into that, and you'll be getting all those discounted price here. Okay, 18 months access, a very good platform. Okay, which is hosted from Netherlands AI HR. Very good. I learned from there as well. Not related to HR technology specific, but it's generic HR and strategies. What is new in the HR space, right? You can also learn from there. Okay, so that is something you can go through. And a lot of things are here. You can go there and you can try to learn here. Okay, so this is something, an all-in-one link you'll be getting from here. Okay, so that's for now. Thank you very much for joining in. We will see you soon in the upcoming days. Thank you very much for joining in.